नमस्ते गिरिराजाय श्री गोवर्धन नामिने अशेष क्लेश नाशाय परमानंददायिने. Namaste Girirajaya, the Raja of the Giri or the mountain. So I offer my obeisances to the king of all the mountains, that is Giriraj, Shri Govardhan Namine. The name of him is Govardhan. Ashesh Klesh Nashaya. So whatever Klesh, whatever unearth, whatever unwanted things are left within me, Ashesh Klesh Nashaya, he destroys that, and Paramanandadaine, he is the provider of Param Anand, the topmost ecstasy and bliss. So that is what Giriraj does in our life, that he removes all the unnecessary, unwanted things which are like the blockage in our devotional life, and he showers the utmost bliss of Krishna consciousness. So from today onwards, we will begin the parikrama of Giriraj Govardhan. Different scriptures talk about the Mahima, the importance of Govardhan. So if we read Sri Upadeshamrit, Rupa Goswami talks about how there are different places and there is a hierarchy in the spiritual places also. So there is Dwarka, and superior to Dwarka is Mathura, and superior to Mathura is Vrindavan, and superior to Vrindavan is Govardhan. Govardhan, as we know, this beautiful pastime happened where the inhabitants of Vrindavan, they were performing Indra Puja, and Krishna stops them and he says that we must worship the Govardhan, who is non-different from the Supreme Lord, and Govardhan is the one who provides us of all the necessities. So he convinces his father, because he wanted to break the pride of Indra, so he convinces his father to worship Govardhan, and that was a time when first Govardhan Puja actually happened, where Krishna led and Krishna dictated how to do the Govardhan Puja. And Krishna, along with all his cows, calves, kettles, gopis, gopas, friends, everybody, the whole village, and in fact so many villages on the periphery, everyone did the Govardhan Parikrama. So that same parikrama, the same trend which Krishna started, we all also follow, because he is the biggest influencer and we are so influenced by him that till date we do Govardhan Parikrama. Now, Krishna says that Govardhan provides all the necessities. So in these scriptures it is described that all what Krishna requires, all what Krishna Balram requires is provided by Giriraj Govardhan. When Krishna walks on Govardhan, so though Govardhan is a mountain, a hill with stones, but the moment Krishna's feet touch Govardhan, Govardhan melts and Govardhan becomes like butter, so that Krishna's foot are not, he does not feel the pain of walking on the hard stones. Then there are so many streams in Govardhan where lotuses flow. There are peacocks dancing there. There are different type of like Malati flower, Madhavi flower, which Krishna decorates himself. There are these trees of Gunja berries. So these Gunja, the red and black berries, which Krishna plucks and makes a mala for himself and wears. So Govardhan actually provides different type of fruits and trees and caves and everything what Krishna requires for his pastimes. So this place is extremely dear to Krishna, and innumerable pastimes have happened here, and there are so many Leela Sthalis which we can visit in and around the Govardhan mountain. And when Krishna comes as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had come in the form of a devotee, so he did not step on Govardhan, because he says that Govardhan is non-different from Krishna. So Krishna, when Govardhan Leela he was performing, he actually demonstrated that, Krishna ate everything and then Krishna returns everything in the form of Giriraj. In fact, when Indra starts sending the Samantaka cloud and there is heavy rainfall not in drops but in pillars, the pillars of rain was falling. And what did Krishna do? Krishna lifts up Govardhan hill on the tiny finger of his left hand for 7 days and 7 nights, and he invited all the inhabitants of Vrindavan to come under that. And that was the first lockdown. So first scriptural lockdown happened there when all the Brajvasis, including the animals, everybody was locked in below Govardhan, and they were so blissful because continuously they were having darshan of Krishna. So this is what Govardhan is, the significance of Govardhan. In fact, in Garg Samhita, there is this description that Srimati Radharani and Sri Krishna, so they were talking once in Golok Vrindavan, in the spiritual world. And Krishna says that there is a lot of problem on earth, so I have to visit there, I have to sort out the issues. So you also please join me. You must come along with me. And Radharani says that how can I go leaving Vrindavan, leaving Govardhan, leaving Yamuna behind? So unless these three things are there, I will not go. So Krishna says, okay, let's pack them all. The whole package and everything will go to the material world. So that is how Yamuna, Govardhan and Vrindavan comes to this material world. And when Govardhan was allowed to come there, Govardhan reaches Earth, free planet, and it is described that it started expanding and expanding and expanding so much so that people became scared, like from where suddenly this huge mountain is coming and expanding like this. So Krishna comes there and he slaps Govardhan and he says, okay, stop, enough, that's it. And then that is how Govardhan is. There is where he stops, and there is how he serves Krishna. So tomorrow onwards, we will cover different Leela Sthalis around Govardhan. Hare Krishna.